Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store loading error 0x8000FFF in Windows 10. So just go to the search bar and type services.msc. Just click on this search result services. Now just click on this service, background intelligent transfer service. Right click over it and click on the properties. Now just change the startup type from manual to automatic. Click on the apply button and click on the OK button. Now search for Windows Update Service. Here it is. Just right click over it and click on properties. So if the service is running, just click on stop button first and then change the startup type from manual to automatic. Click on the apply button and then click on the start button to start the service and then click on the OK button. Now close this and go to the search bar again and type apps and features. Yeah, here it is. Just click on the search result apps and features. Now just search for store. Yeah, just click on this Microsoft Store and click on this link advanced options. Now go down and just click on this button reset. Click on reset. So this will reset the Microsoft Store app. After this, just close this window and just restart your system. And this will fix your issue. So this is how you can fix the Microsoft Store loading error 0x8000FFF in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.